So I decided to do YouTube videos for some strange reason. Sitting outside, bored, watching the dogs play around, I guess. But, you know, nothing really to do while I'm out here in Texas. And I'm trying to get in as many videos as I can before I leave because I'm leaving in 7 days. And I won't have as much time, I don't think. So, excuse my music, you know, listening to it. But not much to do. You guys got any ideas? Really? I had nothing to do right here. I'll have to do that. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. Me getting in water with all my clothes on, that's awesome. But yeah, no. Anyway. Since I'm going home, there's not much I can do at the house. Hopefully trying to transfer school. So if you go to Walton, you know, I'm all for the support. I mean, coming back to Walton because I do not want to stay back in Paxton. I just have nobody in Paxton. But you gotta look me up. I didn't even say, oh. But anyway, I guess I'll stop boring you to death. Whatever the hell's going on here. I'll stop bothering you now and boring you. So I'll probably have another one up in less than 5 minutes. So.